this is chapter 4, lecture number 8. So we're now going to focus on a very important object in the scene, and that is grass. And grass is the fundamental part of nature. So we have to take some time to study it and make some nice models from it. So I'd like you to show some images from grass. So this is a grass patch. So I found a nice grass field and I just put it out of the ground to take a look at it. And on the first side, it looks really rough, like all sort of strands are popping out of this bunch of grass. So how do we model this? Do you need to go rough like this, or is there a sort of a structure? Well, there is, definitely. So if we extract this bunch of grass, we go to the next image, you can see grass has strands. And we go back, if you put a lot of strands together, you get a sort of a grass, a bunch of grass, a patch of grass. And that is what we want to achieve with the following lectures. So we're not going to create one patch, but all in different sizes, so we can make a realistic look on the grass field. So this is a grass strand, and we have some more. We will pick one, we make the model, and then we're going to make adjustments on it. So we have like 8 variations, and these will be put in a particle system so we can make the patches of grass. So I think it's really exciting to do. Well, it's my favorite part of creating nature scenes or environment scenes. So this is our scene. Go to the solid mode and we switch from Eevee to cycles. So from now on it will be cycles. All right. I will disable the buildings, the terrain, the atmosphere, and focusing on the nature. Press 1, so I want to have the front view. And I like to add a new collection. So right click on nature, click new, and call it grass. So we're also going to create reed later on, but we start with grass. And I like to add some background image so we can focus on. So I go to my folder where I have my strands, and what kind of strands do we want? Let's import this image. There we have our sort of a glitch in Blender. So we scale this background image. Maybe this is a little bit too big. It's a bit smaller. So drag this, press G, zoom in, shift, mouse scroll. So we have this view on the strand, and maybe we also import the other image, that one, and scale it so we can pick a nice looking strand to work with. Scale it and drag it and scale it. I have this habit of clicking and dragging, but you have to left click and then press G to move it. Great. So we can now start with adding a new object and make some of these strands. So I will pick one, the one that looks the best to me, and in other lectures I will make deformations. All right. So this is the end of this lecture. See you in the next one where we will start making the strand. All right, bye-bye.